Here we are, a legendary Land Rover Defender 110 TD5 12-seater. This one finished in the iconic Chawton White. And this isn't just any old Defender. This particular version has had just 2 owners from new and has covered just 31,000 miles. Garaged as well for much of his life as well, hence the condition. We know Defenders well and have applied all of our knowledge and experience in preparing this authentic and superb example. This has included an extensive and sympathetic refresh. Just look at the condition. As you can see, this preparation has included a full chassis clean, rust protection and chassis wax, both internally within the chassis rails and externally. Further, it's had a major service at a leading independent Land Rover specialist. Just look at the condition of the interior. Comes with factory rubber mats and carpets, all in very good condition, with photos as well. Brand new seat belts in the rear, all 6 of them to make up the 12 seats. This Defender comes with 2 sets of keys and also the owner's manual and also the toolkit. This Defender comes on what I believe to be the best tyre, the Michelin Latitude Cross. Extremely comfortable on the road, and actually very good off-road as well. Best of all, for our international collectors, this 110 is fully USA export compliant. So whether you're buying locally or overseas, we can fully assist. So if you're looking for a very special Defender, this example could be it. Please get in touch now to book a test drive, and more information will be given when we meet you. Very much look forward to that. Thanks very much.